If Donald Trump's Supreme Court immunity trial could be set to the sound of music, I think it might sound something like this. Samuel Alito and Justice Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh and also Clarence Thomas, the Constitution they are willing to fudge. That's what makes them Donald Trump's favorite judge. Kavanaugh claims criminal law doesn't apply much if statutes don't spell out just exactly what's the difference between private and official. That doesn't seem to be very judicial. Sotomayor questioned Trump's lawyers' reasoning on his rivals. Trump could declare open season. Thomas's wife supported the insurrection. Now shouldn't that trigger some introspection? When the Constitution just gets ignored, that makes me feel sad. Our founding fathers would turn round in their graves. They would be rightfully mad. Two of the judges were much less dramatic. Roberts and Barrett were more enigmatic. But what the both of them essentially say is send the case to lower court for delay. Ketanji Brown Jackson warned us of the risk of a dictator ruling with iron fist. Giving immunity to someone so random lets him commit crimes with total abandon. Gorsuch would let Trump be above the law. Did he not see just what the rest of us saw? A vindictive loser seeking retribution, destroying democracy as an institution. When the Constitution just gets ignored, that makes me feel sad. Our founding fathers would turn round in their graves. They would be rightfully mad.